To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner to open your profile. Now, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Swipe up to scroll down, and locate the section labeled, How Others Can Interact With You. Then tap, Comments. Under the Who Can Comment section, select Posts and Reels. It's set to Your Followers. That means only your followers will be able to comment on your posts and reels. If you select Followers You Follow Back, only followers you follow back will be able to comment on your posts and reels. And if you select Off, comments will be turned off for your posts and reels. Now choose the option that best suits your preference. This setting helps you control who can comment on your posts and reels, giving you better privacy and reduced unwanted interactions. So that's how you can control who can comment on your Instagram posts and reels.